Yo, look at this. Oh my god. Hello guys, Maple here. And as y'all can see, I just bought the BALISONG. Now I was thinking, because I had some Robux and I had many keys, well, I had it before, I went to do the daily shop and, well, I just kept refreshing the shop until I found my dream skin, the BALISONG. So in today's video, I'm going to show y'all the BALISONG in the shooting range. So before we get into it, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you like the BALISONG.
Let's go.
Okay, so first I'm going to show y'all the normal skin. So this is when you like pull it out, it does this little flip, and then when you click left click, it does this weird thing, and backstab, you know, it just dips like a stab. And yeah, that's it. And when you inspect, this is how it looks. Okay, yeah, pretty normal. And now the BALISONG skin, here we go. So this is how it looks in game. As y'all can see, this is when you pull it out. Look at that, it even got its own sound. Wait, did you hear that? And this is the left click, left mouse click. This is the backstab. Wow. And every time you do a backstab, it does this little spin, which is very cool. And this is the inspect. Look at this. Wow. And now I'm going to be playing a few rounds with the BALISONG skin. Let's get into it. Or horn. Let's go. Look at that, bro. This is also my first round with it. Like, I literally just bought it. He's also a knife player, so. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's go. Oh, he's using the... I was so close. Let's go. I love the backstab and the sounds. Bad start right here. Okay. Let's go! Did you see that? Okay, now he's on the ground. Look at him. Let's go. 2-1. Okay, yeah, what the hell is that start? But it doesn't matter. Okay, yeah, it does matter. It does matter. He's very aggressive, as y'all can see. Okay. No. How many satchels does bro have? Like, seriously. No. Let's go. W predicament. Or whatever it's called again. Jump me. He's scared. Never mind. Bro, I love these sounds. Where's he? This is the longest round. Bro! Okay, I might lose this one. He's hit me many times. Oh, yeah. Okay, 3-3. Let's go! He was lagging a little, too. Where is he? Let's go! Okay, arena. Or should we switch it up a little? Let's take... I'm gonna take... No, not backrooms! No! No! Okay, I'm cooked. I am cooked. I am beyond cooked, bro. What the hell? Bro, I have trauma from back rooms. Where is this guy? Come over here. Wait, it's the same guy too, I think. Yeah, it's the same guy. He's gonna use some RPG shit. And I missed all of mine. Come here. Backstab. Let's go forward. Look at this, bro. It's glowing too. From the wrap. He's almost dead. I'm just gonna do daggers. Come here. Statue boy. Dead. I hate when people use RPG. Like, I know it's the best for this map or the grenade launcher, but it's so annoying. Like, genuinely. No joke. Okay, should we go for a 5-0? Should we do that? Let me hide, actually. Let's see what he does. Bro, where's this guy? Imagine if I could stay the whole time. Okay, wait. No, never mind. Oh shit. I'm so scared. This is like a horror game for real. It reminds me of Doors for some reason. When like you're at like door 50 or 100. I don't remember, but it was like door 50, I think. And then you had to collect books. I once completed it, and it was so like I was so laggy that it did not open the door, so I couldn't like complete it. Okay, where's this guy, bro? I'm gonna stay the entire time. I want to see what happens because we're both full health, and I think he's gonna get the point too. Yeah, did you hear that? Okay, 10 seconds left, bro. No! No! Hide. Let's go! I won that too! And he found me. I'm gonna go for real now. Get out over here! GG's 5-0. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And also comment if you thought that it was worth it for me to buy the BALISOng. Because I've been wanting to buy it for a long time. Okay, peace out.